Assalamualaikum. My daily routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wash my hands and face. I rinse my mouth. Then I brush my teeth. I attend call of nature. I take bath and take my rest and healthy breakfast. I pack my backpack. I go to school. I enjoy with my teachers and friends. Evening I back to my home. I eat fresh. I detach to my family with a hot tea and yummy snacks and listen to Surah audio. I take bath and take my rest. I listen to Surah audio. Assalamualaikum.